Right, off we go, people. Very public place here, so get ourselves down. Alright, so let's have a little look around.
We're in an air raid shop, but I think the bigger light, give me 2 seconds.
Got the old men's toilet here, people.
Oh, they're toilets?
Yeah, toilets.
Thank you.
Got all the old original light. Right, this one, people, is like, it's right next to a main road. It's such a dodgy one. It's no air raid shelter anyway, it's not massive. But it's a nice little gem. I've been wanting to come in here for ages, but I haven't been in just due to the location. But today I thought, right, get a group of people and we'll have a little look around. As I say, it's not particularly massive.
Toilets! Oh, it's actually got the sun up there. Wow, it's still there. Be careful stepping over that. Really can. Oh, it's so good that it's like that. Still got a woodwork on it from where the toilet seat was.
Yeah.
And
See it all going round.
jug in the middle. Oh. So yeah. That really
Nice little place.
all the lights still here as well.
So that's a short little round here.
It's pretty cool. That's on the bottom there.
Yeah, I've just seen that. Police notice. Police notice, look. I'm going to turn this one off. I mean, lovely little place. Right, so yeah, now that's the end of the video, people. Hope you enjoyed that one. Definitely like, subscribe as always. Definitely take care. Have a good day. Look after yourself.